In the era of agricultural and industrial revolution, the power of combining technology and machinery is increasingly driving innovation and progress. Behind these intangible impacts lies curiosity, a crucial motivator, creating significant trends in society. Let's explore together the fascinating opportunities and challenges to understand more deeply the innovative power of machinery, the decisive factor in progress and change in our lives. Welcome the tranquility and environmental friendliness of the EcoFlow Blade robot, the perfect solution for tending to lush gardens. With its virtual boundary feature, Blade allows you to clearly define the area needing grass cutting, providing complete control in space management. The intelligent positioning system ensures meticulous cutting of every part of the lawn, while advanced sensors help the machine detect and efficiently avoid obstacles. But Blade doesn't stop at eliminating noise and emissions from traditional lawnmowers. It also opens the door to a green environment with its gentle operation. Technical experts are continuously innovating to improve accuracy in crop management and care. The latest product in our agricultural robot system is the Hercules UGV-HR150 rover, integrated with intelligent sensors to optimize performance and flexibility in management. With easy adaptability to the working environment, the Hercules UGV-HR150 rover has been tested on narrow roads ranging from 1 to 2 meters wide to ensure optimal operation. This product is not only a breakthrough in agricultural technology, but also an ideal solution for crop maintenance and development, with the ability to spray and pull spray tanks. Introducing the B75, a new saw product from Sweden, designed and manufactured to enhance efficiency in wood cutting. The B75 is a special automatic saw capable of cutting wood in incremental steps determined by depth, producing accurately sized and fast wood panels. This product line is available with two types of engines, low and electric, providing flexibility for users. With a powerful engine, the B75 can handle cutting large wood up to a diameter of 75 centimeters, ensuring excellent results every time the job is completed. With its intelligent design and flexible expandability, the LogoSaw B75 is the ideal choice for both craftsmen and professional wood businesses, helping them save time and effort in the wood cutting process. The automated kiwi fruit harvesting and pollination robot, CARES, is the result of collaboration between the University of Auckland, the University of Waikato, the Food and Bio-Based Products Research Institute, and robotics. Plus Limited CARES is not only a unique automation solution, but also stands out with excellent accuracy. By integrating advanced technology, this robotic system not only automates kiwi fruit harvesting, but also ensures precise pollination processes, reducing labor-intensive tasks and significantly improving efficiency in agriculture. As an intelligence technology device, the Helix AR2 rolling mode robot is a notable innovation. With its unique spiral design, it provides flexibility both on land and underwater while delivering impressive performance in hazardous tasks. With robust movement and rotation capabilities, the Helix R2 can conduct surveys and sampling in both environments proactively. The rolling mode feature enhances flexibility and efficiency, enabling the Helix AR2 to operate easily in hard-to-reach areas, a valuable tool for specific exploration and investigation tasks. In the current agricultural landscape, the leading role of robots and technology cannot be denied. A notable example is the Sweeper Automatic Pepper Harvester, a pinnacle product anticipated from the Sweeper project. With advanced and specialized design, the Sweeper not only automates the harvesting process but also delivers high efficiency. The machine is crafted with flexibility and precision, capable of smart navigation between rows of plants and utilizing sensor technology to accurately determine the position of peppers. The next impressive machine we'd like to introduce to you is the first base hydraulical model 800, part of the Specialized Pro series, developed to withstand heavy loads. Its Pro design ensures maximum stability and combines with specific benefits of easy and quick installation on all types of terrain. It's the perfect choice for both temporary and long-term projects. The first base 800 hydraulic model has the ability to swiftly and efficiently install ground connection screws on all types of terrain, especially on complex and challenging terrains. In our journey of exploring innovation, we have witnessed the progress of direct technology. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so we can continue exploring together in the field of agriculture. The premier solution for precise farming is the Horsch Robo, a unique innovation from the reputable agricultural machinery manufacturer Horsch in Germany. This product has opened up a new era in the field of agricultural automation. With a powerful 300 horsepower diesel engine, the Horsch Robo brings automation and precision to the planting process. By integrating the Class TerraTrack rubber track technology from the Axion 900 tractor, the Horsch Robo helps optimize traction and control while eliminating the need for a front steering axle, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. This addresses the labor shortage issue in agriculture and ensures effectiveness and consistency in the planting process, setting new standards for advanced agricultural automation. The Logisol F2 Ceram, an advanced woodcutting machine, is specially designed to meet the needs of both craftsmen and farmers. The machine's new design ensures stability and high durability, thereby enhancing work efficiency. A notable feature of the Logisol F2 Ceram is its ability to handle both XL and multi-layered core boards, providing flexibility in the wood cutting process. Additionally, the machine is equipped with various features and options, such as wood processing system, chain protection, water cooling system to enhance productivity and ensure safety during operation. The Stiga Park mower, a familiar sight, is not just a regular lawn cutting tool, it's an icon of innovation and progress. With a 50-50 ratio, it stands out as one of the few front-mounted mowers capable of flexible maneuvering and powerful operation. Its precise grass-cutting ability and unique coverage quality have placed it in the top tier. Its comfortable and convenient design provides a special operating experience, and its innovation makes the Stigapark stand out in the product line. Food machine? Modern equipment has played a critical role in the food processing industry. These devices help increase productivity and production efficiency, ensure food safety, and meet the increasingly demanding market demands. The Roshinken slicing machine is one of the most advanced devices used in the meat processing industry. This equipment can slice Roshinken, a characteristic food of Germany and other European countries, at high speed and with incredible precision. With the development of technology, modern machines are increasingly being improved to meet the requirements of the contemporary food industry. These devices are equipped with sharp blades and operate at speeds of up to hundreds of times per minute. Thanks to the automation feature, the machine can slice Roshinken with even thickness and width, optimizing production efficiency and minimizing waste. Marel is one of the world's leading providers of automation solutions in the food processing industry. Known for its fresh salmon slicing solution, Marel has developed a complete automated solution for packaging sliced salmon. One of Marel's advanced automation solutions is the iSlice 3400 retail pack slicing machine. This machine is equipped with an advanced slicing system to ensure accuracy and consistency for each slice of salmon. Using high technology, the iSlice 3400 slicing machine can operate at high speeds while maintaining high precision. This is a highly essential device in this industry. Machines are increasingly proving their power in replacing human labor. One of them is the MS 2612.00 salmon bone separator, which is equipped with advanced, precise technology that ensures the separation of most salmon bones, including small bones and soft tissue cells, at speeds up to 1,200 kilograms per hour. Moreover, the machine is equipped with an intelligent sensor system that automatically detects and separates salmon bones, reducing labor and meat loss. The design of the machine is also very easy to clean and maintain, helping to increase the life and durability of the machine. With the above advantages, Mississippi 2612.00 salmon bone separator is a great solution for manufacturers and food processing companies. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Next is the automatic tray apple packing machine of Grifa ATP. It is a modern packaging solution for the fruit and vegetable industry. With a packing speed of up to 80 trays per hour, the machine allows to pack apples quickly and efficiently. The Grifa ATP packer is designed to use a wide range of different packing trays, making it easier and more flexible to pack apples. The machine is also equipped with a leveling system to ensure that the weight of each packing tray is uniform and accurate. In addition, the machine also has the feature of automatically locating and packing apples according to size, shape, and weight, helping to ensure uniformity and accuracy in the packaging process. The machine is also equipped with an automatic control system and electronic display, which reduces errors and enhances the stability of the packaging process. Agricultural machinery. Say goodbye to food packaging and join us to own amazing machines in agricultural production. In the age of mass production and technology, agricultural machinery is increasingly improved to be able to keep up with demand. These devices play an extremely important role in modern agricultural production. They help optimize production processes, increase productivity, reduce costs, improve product quality, reduce labor, and increase safety in the working process. The liquid manure spreader working in the vast fields at Rosendahl Farm has become an integral part of modern agricultural production. In the past, hand-spreading manure at Rosendahl Farm was laborious and time-consuming. But since Mr. Rosendahl used a modern liquid fertilizer spreader, everything has changed. This machine is capable of spreading liquid fertilizer up to 24 meters away, and with modern design, it is possible to adjust the amount of fertilizer distributed according to each type of crop. This helps to optimize fertilizer use, increase yields, and reduce production costs. In addition, using a liquid fertilizer spreader also helps to reduce harmful emissions from fertilizers, protect the environment, and reduce negative impacts on human and livestock health. Since using liquid fertilizer spreader, Rosendahl Farm has achieved much success in crop production and higher yield. This has also helped the farm reduce production costs and increase income. The large field-operated liquid fertilizer spreader at Rosendahl Farm has demonstrated the importance of machines in the development of modern and sustainable agriculture. In front of you is a wonderful berry harvester called Oxbow 8140. This yellow machine is one of the most efficient solutions for harvesting berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. With an operating speed of up to 6 kilometers per hour, this machine can harvest up to 12 rows per turn through the garden. With an automatic cutting system and a height-adjustable sensor, the Oxbow 8140 can harvest fruit accurately and efficiently, minimizing waste and loss in the harvesting process. The special thing of this machine is the automatic fruit release system, which helps the fruit to be pushed into the container to synchronize the harvesting process and minimize the amount of waste and loss. After harvesting, the berries are passed through a screening system and then transferred to containers placed in the back. This amazing tool is becoming one of the advanced and effective solutions for strawberry farms and businesses. Super powerful are words to describe how GST BioStar works. This is one of the powerful and efficient lawnmowers being used in agriculture. With the ability to till 20 cm deep, is one of the best soil softening and grading solutions in agriculture. The machine is designed with many advanced features to meet the different needs of farmers. The machine can be used for a variety of soils and is equipped with a high-end controller to adjust the depth of the machine. It can rotate left and right to handle different lands effectively. With the ability to work quickly and efficiently, the GST BioStar lawnmower is the ideal solution for growers looking to increase productivity and efficiency in agricultural production. Heavy machinery. In the quarrying industry, a lot of high-tech machinery is used. The giant saw we are seeing is one of the most impressive machines. The machine is equipped with a sharp saw blade and a specialized positioning system for precise stone cutting. The huge size of this saw requires a solid foundation to operate and can cut and install large blocks of stone in a short time. Mining granite is a job that requires precision and sophistication. Experienced craftsmen must work with this saw to ensure that the blocks are cut to the required size and shape. Overall, this giant saw is one of the great engineering inventions in the modern quarry industry. And here is one of the most impressive excavators that we would like to introduce to you: the Volvo excavator. This machine is one of the largest and most powerful diggers on the market today. It has a large mass and is equipped with a powerful engine that can dig and move large amounts of rock quickly. This monster has the ability to rotate 360 degrees, making it easier to break rocks. In addition, the machine is also equipped with protective devices to ensure the safety of the operator and surrounding staff. Excavators like Volvo play an important role in the extraction and transportation of marble, helping to meet the demand for stone used for large construction projects. In the construction industry, bulldozers are one of the most essential mechanical equipment for digging, leveling, dredging, and reclamation. These fantastic machines play a crucial role in flattening and compacting soil, rock, and other building materials to create a surface that meets the requirements of the building. This bulldozer series has a hefty load capacity, fast working speed, and high flexibility to make construction easier, saving time, effort, and cost. Operating the giant bulldozer requires specialized skill and concentration. One of the first dangers is the pressure and weight of the large bulldozer. These machines often weigh hundreds of tons and are used on rough terrain, so mastering machine operation and control skills are essential to avoid accidents. When operated properly, these machines are some of the most unique and modern mechanical devices in the construction industry. Machines are one of the indispensable tools in the industry. They play an important role in increasing production efficiency, reducing costs, and improving product quality. Today's modern machines are designed and manufactured with advanced technology, capable of performing complex and energy-intensive tasks. Marble Barsanti 1600 is equipped with extremely sharp blades and powerful motor, making stone cutting easier and faster than ever. The machine can cut stone slabs up to 320 centimeters by 200 centimeters in size and up to 200 centimeters in thickness with high precision and smooth surface. With the advancement of technology, modern stone cutting machines like Marble Barsanti 1600 have made stone production more efficient and faster than ever, while reducing costs and increasing competitiveness for businesses in the stone industry. In 2019, the Stecca 36 rows were present in the corn and soybean fields. It is one of the only machines in the world with a width of 27 meters and the ability to work in tandem with the John Deere 8 RT plow. 75 centimeters long, this pickaxe can work in 9 MCTF, controlled traffic farming, on sly brand wide and narrow roads to move between rows with ease. Thanks to its superior features and specialized design, the 36-row Stecca hoe helps farmers save more time and effort in harvesting, while increasing production efficiency. With continuous operation and high accuracy, this hoe will be a perfect choice for large farms and modern agricultural industry. And here is an excavator named Hyundai. This is one of the modern industrial machinery widely used in construction works. Packed with advanced technologies and powerful features, this excavator is being rated as one of the most reliable excavators on the market today. Look, Hyundai excavator is working at a quarry, loading and unloading rocks and loading them onto trucks for transportation to different locations. What makes this great machine special are its energy and cost-saving features. With advanced technology, it significantly saves maintenance costs, helps businesses optimize production costs, and increase work productivity. With outstanding advantages and powerful features, Hyundai Excavator is one of the best choices for businesses in the field of construction and quarrying. In Brittany, which is known for its excellent cabbage production, farmers are using a simple yet highly effective planter, The Chechi and Maglitrium 45 planter. With this special machine, farmers can grow cabbage quickly and easily. This machine is equipped with movable serrations and can easily and quickly cut the soil and make planting holes. The planting hole is even and has the correct depth to help the cabbage plant grow better and more evenly. This machine also helps farmers save time and effort. With the propulsion of the machine, the farmer can move quickly from garden to garden and sow efficiently. Besides, the machine is also designed to minimize fatigue and comfortable to use, helping farmers work longer without feeling tired. With the Chechi and Maglitrium 45 planters, Brittany farmers can grow cabbage faster, easier, and more efficiently than ever before. This is one of the typical examples for the application of technology in agriculture, helping to increase productivity and production efficiency in this field. The 3F screen machine is one of the high-tech machines used to sort and separate different types of materials in the recycling industry. The machine uses moving sieves to sort materials, remove impurities, and recycle materials such as concrete, wood, metal, glass, and plastic. With a smart design and the ability to handle up to 300 tons per hour, this machine has helped many businesses reduce production costs and increase work efficiency. In addition, the machine also minimizes the impact on the environment and helps to recycle scrap, thereby reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. Strawberry packaging is an important job for product preservation and convenience for consumers. Over the years, manufacturers have used a variety of machines to pack strawberries, including flow packers. This is an automatic packaging machine, commonly used in the food and beverage industry. This type of machine has the ability to pack products quickly and efficiently, while ensuring the accuracy and safety of products. In strawberry packing, the machine provides an efficient, fast, and cost-effective packaging method. With packing speeds up to 120 packs per minute, the FlowPack Packer helps produce and pack strawberries faster, increasing productivity and reducing costs. In particular, this high-speed FlowPack machine mod also ensures the safety and quality of the product. The product is packed tightly, avoiding cracking or oxidation, helping the strawberries keep their taste and quality longer. Are you curious to know how the pineapple juice factory is? Join us to the world's most modern pineapple press, Fratelli Indelicato. This is a remarkable equipment in the fruit processing industry. Fratelli Indelicato pineapple press is specially designed with a modern and advanced pressing system, which eliminates the traditional pressing mechanism, optimizing production efficiency. The machine is also equipped with a number of other notable features such as automatic fruit loading system and impurity removal, helping to achieve the best quality of finished products. In particular, this pineapple press is made from high-quality materials and assembled by dedicated and experienced technical experts, ensuring the durability and certainty of the product. With a reasonable investment cost, This press is a great choice for manufacturers who want to increase production capacity and improve product quality. The Beto lemon juicer is designed to extract juice from lemons and other fruits. The machine uses cold pressing method, keeping the flavor and nutrition of the ingredients intact. Polycitrus lemon essential oil extractor machine is used to extract essential oil from lemon, a popular essential oil used in medicine, cosmetics, and food. The machine is designed with modern technology to ensure the effective extraction of essential oils and the highest quality of essential oils. Both the Beto and Polycitrus machines have wide applications in the food and medical industries. They make it easier and more efficient to extract juices and essential oils from lemons, ensuring the quality and nutritional value of the extracted product. We thank you for taking the time to follow Far Outlook channel and hope that the videos about technology and machines that we post will bring you value and useful knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our latest videos. Wishing you a productive and successful working day.